everyone, I am Shipra Mathur from Shipra's Kitchen. I am a home chef and I have been running my kitchen for last 5 years, and yeah, thankfully I've got a very good response for my delicacies, for my cuisine which I am doing. I'm doing Kayist cuisine. I specialize in Kayist cuisine besides my Chinese and continental and Indian food. I thank Gurgaon moms today here that they have they're showcasing my one of my dish, which is for the summer season, where the mangoes are basically in season, and we are showcasing one of the mango season delicacies. So I will take you through the ingredients, and then today I am going to make tandoori mango. Now tandoori mango, I will just give you a brief that one day I was just sitting like that and I had to do a starter, and I had some raw mangoes in the house, and I just felt that, you know, as a starter, let me do something, create something with the mangoes. And that's how the idea came to me, and I marinated the mangoes and grilled them at home, and then I served them with the sweet chili mint sauce, which goes very, balances the sourness of the mango, and because the chutney is sweet and spicy also, so it gives a very good taste of the entire dish. So here comes my recipe. This is for the beautiful ladies of Gurgaon Mom. Here is the recipe for you all. So we are doing tandoori mango. Now at home, not many people have tandoor in the house, so they can also grill it. So you can always say grill mango. So I will just today, even I don't have a tandoor at home, so I'm going to grill it and I'm going to smoke it with the coal in the end. So here comes all the ingredients. So here we are going to take raw mango. This is a raw mango, and we are going to take curd. We are going to take curd. We are going to take rogan, which is chili oil, then the salt, the red chili powder, the garam masala. For the sauce, we are going to take sugar, there's water, there's mint and chilies. So the chilies which we are going to put, that also I will tell you. First I'm going to tell you the marination of the tandoori mango, and after that, once we put the mango in the grill, we are going to do the chutney, so that you get to know both the things and you can enjoy both the things. So here comes the recipe. So let's first we are going to peel the mango. So here I have peeled my mango. Here are we are going to keep the pieces a little big. Okay, so here are the pieces which we are cutting. If we have some more, then nice pieces. Here it is. So here we take the curd in it. We're going to put a little bit of rogan in it to give the nice color to the marination. Here's the salt. We have little red chili powder, and we have some very little garam masala. Here it is, mix well. So here is the marination, very simple marination, and this is what we have done. I have, and keep the marination for at least 4 hours, and then here it is. I have already marinated 2 hours before. Okay, so I have preheat. So we have to preheat our oven to for at least 30 minutes. For 200 degrees. So this is how the thing, and you have to preheat your oven. We are going to oil the tray in which we are going to put our mango. Here it is, and this is how we are going to. I'm going to put all the marinated mango, nicely marinated for 4 hours, into the tray and then grill it. Okay, and here goes our tray in the oven, and we let it grill for 30 minutes, and we'll wait for that. Meanwhile, we are going to do the we are going to prepare the chutney. Okay, so now our mango has gone in the grill. Now we are going to do a sweet chili mint sauce. So for that we need sugar, we need water, we need mint leaves, and we need chilies. So here it is. I'm going to put some sugar in the pan. Here is some water. So we are going to allow this to cook. The sugar is going to dissolve, और हम तब तक वेट करेंगे जब तक ये शुगर सिरप बन जाए चाशनी की तरह. तो इसको हम अभी चीनी को डिज़ोल्व करेंगे. हिलाते रहिए आप जिससे कि डिज़ोल्व हो जाए. देखिए अब इसमें सारी शुगर जो है वो डिज़ोल्व हो गई है और बॉईल आना शुरू हो गया है. अब इसको हम थोड़ी देर कुक करते रहेंगे जब तक आपका पूरा जो ये सिरप शुगर सिरप में बन ना जाए. जब ये बिल्कुल एक तार जैसा कंसिस्टेंसी आ जाएगी तो वो आपकी एक शुगर सिरप तैयार हो जाएगी. अभी इसको हम थोड़ी देर कुक होने देंगे. ये इसको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ये देखिए अब दिस इज स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग थिक. इट्स बॉइलिंग. वील लेट इट कुक फॉर सम मोर टाइम. टिल देन आई एम गोइंग टू कट सम मिंट. I'm going to chop some mint. So while it is getting cooked, we are going to put mint in it, fresh mint leaves, and cook it. See here, if you feel like putting more, then we can put some more. We can chop some more and we can put some more mint leaves. So अब इसमें देखिए ये मिंट पक रहा है और बहुत बढ़िया खुशबू आ रही है मिंट की. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे चिली, चॉप चिलीज to give a little spicy flavor. So it becomes sweet chili mint sauce. इसको हम बॉईल होने देंगे. थोड़ा सा हम कुक करेंगे. द चिलीज ऑल्सो हैव टू गेट कुक्ड सो दैट इट गेट्स अ नाइस कलर. सो दिस इज. ये देखिए अब हमारा मैंगो जो है वो ग्रिल हो गया है, पर क्योंकि ये तंदूर हुआ नहीं है तो इसको अब हम स्मोक देंगे. इसमें देखिए हम डालेंगे एक तेज पत्ता, थोड़ी सी लौंग और फिर डालेंगे इसमें घी और इसको करेंगे अब हम कवर. अब ये इसमें अच्छी स्मोकिंग वो आ जाएगी. इसको आप 4-5 मिनट छोड़ दीजिए. ये देखिए ये चटनी की कितनी बढ़िया कंसिस्टेंसी हो गई है. अब इसको हम बंद कर देंगे और ठंडा होने देंगे. ये देखिए क्या बढ़िया खुशबू आ गई है अब स्मोक्ड मैंगो की। अब इसको हम हटा देंगे। चलिए अब इसको करेंगे हम डिस्प्ले। तंदूरी मैंगो, अगर आपके पास तंदूर है या सिगड़ी है, स्क्यूअर्स पे लगा के इसको आप रोस्ट कीजिए। इट इज़ गोइंग टू टर्न आउट सो वेल। फिर आपको ये स्मोकिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। ये घर में करने वाला मेथड है। अब ये लीजिए, देखिए ये लास्ट में हम इसके ऊपर जो हमने चटनी बनाई है वो डालेंगे। अच्छे से उसको डाल देंगे जिससे कि उसमें अच्छा सा एक फ्लेवर, खट्टा मीठा मिर्ची वाला, मिंटी, लॉट्स ऑफ मिंट टू बी पुट ऑन टॉप। ये देखिए ये सॉस में आपके डूब गया। और अब हम इसको सजाएंगे मिंट से। ये देखिए ये हो गया आपका तैयार। आपका तैयार हो गया ये तंदूरी मैंगो। और अब मैं इसको खा के देखूंगी कि कैसा बना है ये। Awesome! You must try this at home. It's a very easy and simple recipe. So amazing recipe. I hope आप सबको ये पसंद आई हो। आप लोग अपने घर में बनाइए। Very simple. You can serve it to your guests. आजकल आम का सीजन है, सबको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। It's a different recipe. और आप लोग एंजॉय करिएगा, बनाइए और फिर आप लोग मुझे फीडबैक दीजिएगा। सो हियर इट इज शिप्रा माथुर फ्रॉम शिप्राज किचन साइनिंग ऑफ।